So guys, welcome back. This is episode 2, no, part 2 of our, wait, you see the wheels in the back? No, you can't. Okay. All right guys, welcome back. This is part 2 of the wrap for our WRX. Subaru Fest is just, I would say 2 weeks shy away. So today, I'm gonna show you real quick that Kevin and the team here, as seen the last video, not everything was taken off, but this time they took everything off. So the hood scoops off, the headlights off, all these front reinforcement off, intake area, I don't know what this is to be honest, all off. So they got wrapped through all this inside, you know. So this is gonna be a perfect job. So if you're a Subaru Fest, come look at it, okay? I guarantee it's the best wrap job ever, okay? No shortcuts around here, okay? Door handle's gone, mirror is gone, trim is gone, everything is gone. My wing is gone, so I'm looking very excited for this. So today, we're gonna go over some wheel setup we're gonna use. I know we've been talking about wheels a lot, but it's very different today. And I have one set, I have 2 sets here, but I'm gonna show you one set first because I decided I'm not gonna run this, but you guys let me know. If you guys think I should run this, then we can run it, okay? So here we have, damn, super lightweight, like ZE40s, 18.5 plus 37, okay, in white. So ceramic coated. These are beautiful. I originally wanted some ZE40s. I never ran a set of ZE40s, but I figured, I don't know how the white will look on our wrap. So, but once you guys see the wrap later, you'll know why I didn't go with this. But anyways, so let me know if I should put these on because they do look pretty good the more I look at it. But anyway, so today I'm gonna mount the other wheels. I'm not gonna show you what it is, but I think I'm gonna go with these set of wheels. These are, I'll tell you the size, around 18 by 10s plus 30s. So this is hella aggressive. This can be the world's first, I guess, 18 by 10 setup with the 30 offset. So I'm gonna find that out if that's gonna fit. And by looking at it right now, I don't think it's gonna fit. So we're gonna mount 2 for you right now and see what kind of fitment we're gonna get. And most likely we're gonna have to end up pulling the fenders, I think. So let's get started. If you can guess the wheel, which wheel this is, I can give you a $100 gift card to Aero Dynamics on me personally on the house, okay? And these are a 255/35 Michelin PS4S, so of course the best tire. So I'm gonna test fit and mount this in the rear and see how it fits. So there is a slight stretch, so 255 on a 10 is a little slight stretch, but I think it'll be good for us because any more I think it's gonna freaking bang the fenders. So let's go ahead and test fit these. You can't see the wheel, right? In the backside. If they see the backside, they'll know. Okay. Sorry guys, so I'm gonna mount these bad boys. Oh my God, I love these wheels. Like I really love these wheels. You know, some people call me a wheel addict, you know? There's nothing wrong with that, okay? To be honest, because, you know, it's just a passion, you know? Okay, so, man, this is aggressive, guys. Sorry, no, I'm not allowed to curse on YouTube, so pull that out. All right, guys, so these look pretty darn aggressive. Like, holy moly. Hold on, let me just put these 2 lug nuts in real quick. We really need Brembos, by the way. So sooner or later, I hope someone comes with a Brembo kit or else we're gonna do it ourselves. All right, guys, so the car's on the air right now, so I can't really tell how it's gonna fit right now. But it looks really good. Like, damn, it looks really good, like really poking out with the flare. I think a way I can test fit this is, I'm gonna grab a flare real quick. See, this is part of testing, guys. It's really fun, you know? All the clips are gone, but let me just kind of have an idea of what this will look like if I were to mount it like this. So, okay. Yeah, definitely it's gonna hit. So, we might need some control arms, which I already ordered at ISC, so we're gonna get those in. Hopefully, it'll be okay. They're front. I'm not even sure how that's gonna work. I think it'll be fine, but let's see. So yeah, that's the wheel setup for CB Fest, or potentially, in worst case, it doesn't fit. We're gonna have to get something else, but we're gonna try our best to make it fit. Aside from that, yeah, that's it for today. So the next episode, or next week's video, we're gonna show you guys how they do the wrapping. And then Kevin probably beating the crap out of that rear quarter panel to make these wheels fit. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll catch you guys next time.